There is no job we can't handle. Since 2007, Interstate Gratings has sought to become the premier grating manufacturer in the United States. Our 120,000 square foot facility and technologically advanced machinery is impressive. And although we've become the largest grating manufacturer in the West, we have stayed true to our founding principles. We worked directly with the manufacturers to custom build our equipment that would meet our exacting needs. To cut down lead time and automate our processes, we developed our own in-house project management software. This allows us to work in a paperless environment that eliminates errors and helps us to provide customers with the information they need at every step of the process. Interstate Gratings manufactures a wide variety of products, from heavy-duty industrial applications to beautiful architectural elements. Customizable, fully integrated solutions can meet the needs of any project you can throw at us. To ensure quality, our team runs tests during every step of production so that we know we are working with the best raw materials and that each product we create exceeds our high standards. Our staff are an incredibly skilled group of craftsmen and are the most qualified and experienced workforce in the industry. Interstate Gratings is proud to be an American manufacturer, committed to service and quality. It is this combination of our incredible people, service, and manufacturing abilities that make us capable of handling custom projects of any scope or schedule. Like we said, there's no job we can't handle.